Betel leaves, also known as palm leaves, have been a part of traditional medicine and cultural practices in various parts of the world, especially in South and Southeast Asia, for centuries. These leaves are known for their potential health benefits and unique cultural significance. In this article, we'll explore some of the lesser-known facts about betel leaves and their potential health benefits. Health benefits of betel leaves. Digestive aid. Betel leaves contain compounds that may aid in digestion. Chewing betel leaves after meals is a common practice in some cultures to promote better digestion. Oral health. Betel leaves have antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties that can help maintain oral hygiene. Chewing them may reduce bad breath and prevent gum infections. Respiratory health. The leaves have been used traditionally to alleviate symptoms of respiratory conditions such as coughs and asthma. The natural expectorant properties of betel leaves may help in clearing mucus and promoting easier breathing. Antioxidant properties. Betel leaves contain antioxidants, which can help combat the harmful effects of free radicals and support overall health. Skin health. Some traditional remedies involve applying crushed betel leaves to the skin to help soothe skin irritations and promote a healthy complexion. However, be cautious with skin applications, as some individuals may be sensitive to betel leaf compounds. Menstrual discomfort. In some cultures, betel leaves are used to alleviate menstrual cramps. Applying warm betel leaf poultices on the abdomen is believed to provide relief. Anti-inflammatory effects. Betel leaves may have anti-inflammatory properties, which can be helpful for conditions involving inflammation. How to intake betel leaves? Chewing. The most common way to consume betel leaves is by chewing them after meals. People often fold the leaf into a quid and chew it with or without other ingredients like areca nut and slaked lime. This practice is known as betel chewing or pan. Infusions. You can make a betel leaf tea by steeping fresh or dried betel leaves in hot water. This can be a milder way to enjoy the potential benefits of the leaves without the stimulating effects of betel quids. Topical applications. As mentioned earlier, betel leaves can be applied topically to the skin for various purposes. To do this, you can crush or grind the leaves into a paste and apply it to the affected area. Like and subscribe. If you found this information helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.